Hello friends, welcome to my channel. As you all know that rasam is an integral part of the South Indian cuisine. There is amazing variety of rasams like pineapple rasam, tomato rasam, ginger rasam, garlic rasam, many more. But today's rasam is a slightly unusual one, different from the usual recipes. I'm making chicken rasam. Chicken rasam is very popular from the Chettinad region of the south. Chettinad is well known for its non-veg dishes. So this rasam is very healthy and nutritious. You can relish it with plain white rice or even have it like a soup also. So let's proceed to make the rasam. Here are the ingredients for making chicken rasam. I've taken 5-6 pieces of chicken, 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooked toor dal, lemon sized tamarind juice soaked in water, coriander leaves, 1 tomato cut into pieces, oil we'll be using as needed, 1 teaspoon garlic, 2 teaspoons rasam powder, salt to taste, 1 piece cinnamon and 4 cloves, 1 teaspoon of jaggery. This is optional. 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chilli powder, and here are the ingredients for tempering. 1 pinch of Asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 or 2 red chillies broken, and curry leaves. We'll be using little oil for tempering. First, we are going to marinate the chicken pieces. Take them into a bowl, add little salt, chilli powder, and turmeric powder. Rub them well to coat the chicken pieces. Now set this chicken aside for at least 1 hour or more. Now in a pressure cooker, take about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add the cinnamon stick and the cloves. Saute them a little until you get a nice aroma. Now this is done. You can add the garlic now. Stir fry the garlic paste maybe for half a minute till the rawness is gone. Now add the marinated chicken pieces. Stir fry them well. You don't have to add any salt again as we have already added during the marination. Stir fry until the chicken changes its color. Now you can see that the chicken is almost whitish in color. Now time to add the tomato. Stir fry the tomato also. Keep stirring until the tomato becomes soft and mushy. Continue to cook for a little time. Now the tomato is getting soft. It is done. Now we will add the water and cook the chicken. Add about 2 cups of water. Stir it. Close the lid of the pressure cooker. Allow it to cook for 4 to 5 whistles. Now open the cooker after the pressure is released. You can see the chicken has been cooked. Now we are going to strain it. Take a pot and strain the soup into it. Remove the chicken pieces and set them aside to be added to the soup later. Mash the tomato well to extract all the remaining juices out of it. You can pour little water over it so that all the flavors are out. Squeeze it well. Now you can discard it. Bring the rasam to a boil. Add the boiled tuor dal to it. Now the quantity depends on the way you like the rasam to be, thick or thin. Some people prefer it thicker and some like it thinner. I added about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Mix it well so that all the lumps are mashed. Add rasam powder. This is homemade rasam powder. Salt to taste. Jaggery to balance the taste. You can skip it if you don't like. Now add the tamarind extract. Stir everything together. Add a little turmeric powder. Stir it well. The recipe of homemade rasam powder is given in the description box. You can check it out. Let the rasam boil. Once it starts boiling, you can add the chicken pieces into it. Add some coriander leaves. Let it simmer for a minute. This is really a very flavorful rasam and healthy also. Check for the salt now. Little more salt is needed. And little chilli powder. You can adjust the spice level to your preference as you like it, spicy or less spicy. Let the rasam boil for at least half a minute. And then we proceed to add the tempering. Heat little oil in a small pan. Add the Asafoetida, followed by mustard seeds, allow them to crackle. Do this on a medium flame or low flame. Once the mustard seeds are done, you can add the remaining ingredients. Add the red chillies, curry leaves, switch off the gas. Now dip in the tempering into the rasam. Stir to mix. Now let's dish it out and serve. The recipe also is available in my website. You can check it out. I'm giving the link in the description box below. You can serve this rasam with plain white rice, or you can even relish it like a soup. Garnish with few coriander leaves before serving. Your tasty chicken rasam is ready. Friends, hope you are enjoying my videos. Do share the feedback. I'll be glad to hear from you. And please subscribe my channel if you have not done so. And also remember to press the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I post a new video. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you.